How to verify your Roblox account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can verify your Roblox account, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to verify your Roblox account, then all you have to do is simply go ahead and launch your Roblox app here. Once you launch your Roblox app, you're going to see this type of interface where you just need to tap the three dots icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Then you need to actually scroll down, and then here you'll find an option called settings, so you just need to make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on settings, here you'll find the option called account info. Just tap on account info. Now there are many ways to verify your Roblox account. One is that you can either verify your email address in order to get your account verified, because you can see my email address is already verified. And if you've not added a phone number, you can also verify your phone number by tapping the add phone button, selecting a country. Also, if you want to verify your age, you can tap the verify my age button over here, submit your document to Roblox, and your age will also get verified. So these were the ways on how you can verify your Roblox account, that is either your email address, your phone number, or your age. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.